band in Green River, and it's up around the bend, I think. Then the guitar went missing. I didn't see it for 44 years. A couple of years ago, my wife found it. She had persevered and put it under the Christmas tree as a big surprise, and I got my baby back. Well, this is the guitar I played at Woodstock! You know, that's almost 50 years ago. Anyway, I did go up to Woodstock. I had the experience of following the Grateful Dead. Eventually, I got on stage. Anyway, after seeing all the goings on at Woodstock, I went home and wrote this song.